we're supposed to make a graph and then identify maximum or minimum, relative max and min, and then determine where the increasing, decreasing constant business is. So the previous question gave you the graphs. Here you have to make your own. So if I was to look at this guy right here, I'm going to graph the absolute value of x. Wait a second. It'd be a little bit easier if we said that was negative absolute value of x plus 1. So let's take the v of the absolute value. Alright. The plus 1 shifts that graph up 1. And then the negative in front of the absolute value signs flips it upside down. So here is my maximum. It's a maximum now. Now that point there is 0, 1. So I have a relative maximum at 1. When x equals 0. Now, I would be increasing, this graph is increasing until it hits that spot right there. So it is increasing from negative infinity to 0. We're using the x value here. Okay, and then it's decreasing. It's going down as I keep on moving left to right. It's decreasing from 0 to infinity. Oh, I put a negative there. To positive infinity. All right, let's check out the other one. Oh, good Lord. How are we going to graph that? A polynomial. Well, we can do it by hand. We can do it with a calculator. Let's see what the calculator says. Negative x to the third plus 6x squared minus 9x minus 2. Graph it. Cool. So this thing would be decreasing until it hits that spot right there. Then it's going to increase until it hits this spot, and it'll decrease again going down. So we need to find out what these values are right here and right here. Well, if you go to second trace, you can find a minimum and maximum using your calculator. I just need to tell it where to look. I want it to look, but I want to look for this part right here. So I have to tell it, start on the left side of it right here, the left bound. Here's the left side of it, hit enter. And then on the right side, be on this side of it, right? Hit enter. And I guess I want to try to go as close as I can, hit enter. That minimum occurs at 1, negative 6. 1, negative 6. Let's kind of graph this up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1, negative 6. And the graph came down through here, and it started to curve up. Where's this other? Now that's a maximum. So let's try to find it. Second trace. Maximum. Left side of it will be right about there. The right side of it will be right about there. I'm hitting the left and right buttons, what I'm hitting. And then, that's my best guess, that maximum occurs at, I want to round here, 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, right there. Curves up, and then it goes back down to infinity. So this graph is decreasing until it hits 1, negative infinity to 1. Then it's increasing from 1 That was 2 comma negative 3 comma negative 2. So it's increasing from 1 to 3, and it's decreasing again from 3 to positive infinity. Even though the graph's going down, we're only using the x values, so the x values keep on getting bigger and bigger and bigger. As this graph goes further down, the x values still get bigger. The y values get lower, but the x values get bigger. Alright, and maximum and minimum, you have a relative minimum at -6 when x equals 1, and then you have a relative maximum at -2 when x equals 3.